Hi friends, I've brought a new vitamin tablet for you. This is SGINDROP D vitamin D3. It's an oral fast release soft gel capsule. Vitamin D3 is a fat soluble vitamin that helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus. Having the right amount of vitamin D, calcium and phosphorus is important for building and keeping strong bones. Vitamin D is used to treat and prevent bone disorders such as rickets, osteomalacia. Vitamin D is made by the body when skin is exposed to sunlight. Sunscreen, protective clothing, limited exposure to sunlight, dark skin and age may prevent getting enough vitamin D from the sun. Vitamin D with calcium is used to treat or prevent bone loss, osteoporosis. Vitamin D is also used with other medications to treat low levels of calcium or phosphate caused by certain disorders such as hypoparathyroidism, pseudo-hypoparathyroidism, familial hypophosphatemia. It may be used in kidney disease to keep calcium levels normal and allow normal bone growth. This medication is supposed to be taken as one capsule during the season of winter, and for pregnant women they can take it in their 6th or 7th month. One capsule is sufficient enough to complete the needs of the body of vitamin D. This has also been shown in results of individuals across the world that during the season of COVID-19, the people who had low levels of vitamin D3 in their blood were more susceptible to the disease and were more infected by COVID-19 than the people who had sufficient amounts of vitamin D in their blood. So supplementing with this vitamin D3 is a good idea during the winter. The price of one capsule is 200 rupees, and the company that makes this is High Nutrition from Lahore. So I hope you like the video, and please share and like our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.